Good morning, everybody. I am going to be making my collagen Americano coffee. I use Vital Proteins for hair, skin, and nails, and just do 1 scoop. And then I'm gonna do 2 espresso shots with some hot water. I'm going to be doing a super simple daytime skincare routine. As my skin's been very sensitive lately, I'm going to be using minimal products that I know and trust. B&T Balancing Toner from Aesop is extremely calming and so refreshing on my skin. It's been a staple of mine for years now. And this Kiehl sunscreen is non-comedogenic and is great for acne-prone skin like my own. Weird tip, this lotion is amazing for chapped lips, and I also love putting it all over my body. I am going to put on a little bit of makeup today because I'm in the mood, so I'm going to start with Perfecting Skin Tint by Glossier. Shake it up a bit. Just go straight on these areas like that. My skin is pretty bad, right? I just recently got off of the birth control pill. It's been about 10 to 11 weeks, and I was on the pill for about 10 years. So my skin is definitely reacting. It's a little bit of stress too with everything going on. So I'm gonna use this like Clinique foundation stick that I've had forever. It's worn off a little bit. I don't even know what color it is. Just put that in my spots. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna fill it in using a little bit of this Omega eyeshadow from MAC. I've used it since high school, and it's a staple in my everyday look. Just fill in the brows. That's literally all I do. Do a little curl. I've also used this my whole entire life. It's High Impact Mascara from Clinique. I love it. I'll never use anything else. I will use this forever. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm in downtown Dallas. The weather is beautiful. It's a little bit hot, but that's how I like it. I'm pretty much just walking around this parking lot. I guess for this video I'm just gonna keep in this little shaded spot because it's so sunny out. But oh my god, does it feel nice to have the sun on my skin. I am the type of person that I need to keep busy and doing things, so it's so nice to be outside. I love it. This is my outfit of the day. My OOTD. My gum's probably annoying. Okay, so this is my outfit. It's my top with Alma's pants and my Croc shower shoes.